So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you that how you can easily download Instagram Reels or Instagram video in just 3 simple steps. So guys, the first step that you have to do is go to Instagram app and open the Instagram. So guys, after opening the Instagram, you want to download the Reels. Click on Reels icon. When you click on Reels icon, there's a lot of video that you want to watch it and to have it in your gallery and you want to download it. For example, I click in this video. There's no any option of download, so I want to have it to in my gallery. For example, I want to send for other people, or I want to have it in my on gallery or Android gallery. So I one option is that copy link. I just only click on copy. When I just click on copy link, the video of this is link of this video is copied in my phone. So I go direct back, and in this part, the second part is that you have to go to Google browser and open the Google browser. After opening Google browser, type here save save form. So after you type here save form, hit the search icon. So this website is the best website for downloading each videos. As you see guys, Facebook video downloader, TikTok video downloader, and Instagram video downloader. So we click on website. After opening the website, here post your video link that we copied from that video. I posted and hit the search. When I hit the search, we wait for the so after hit the search, we wait to this website founded our video. So as you see, the video is founded. We click on download. When I click on download, the video is downloading. As you see, just for 2 minute wait. So as you see guys, download file, the video is downloading. So guys, the video is downloaded. I go direct back how I save this video in my own gallery. So I go to gallery. And open the gallery. So as you guys see this video that we copy link of that from Instagram, and I want to have it in my gallery, and I found it. And as you see guys, this video is in my gallery guys. So guys, if this video is useful for viewers, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.